Magandang araw mga kateknisyan. Muli pa nagbabalik ang inyong lingkod, Mr. Jonathan Chodoro, upang magbigay muli na isa pang kaalaman patungkol sa electrical. Narito naman po ang aking ituturo patungkol sa building wiring. Meron po tayong tinatawag na simple schematic diagrams. Number 1, single switch diagram. Number 2, three-way switch diagram. And number 3, four-way switch diagram. For example, single switch diagram. Of course, we have a neutral and line for the power source, at meron tayong isang ilaw with terminal 1 and terminal 2, and we have a single switch with terminal 1 and terminal 2. Kung mapapansin nyo po guys, bakit siya tinawag na single switch? Because of their contact function, or what we call the single pole, single through, or SPST. So from the start of the line source power supply directed to lights of terminal 1, and from the line source of power supply directed to single switch of terminal 1, and the single switch of terminal 2 connected to lights of terminal 2. So yan po ang ating single switch diagram. Narito naman po ang three-way switch diagram. Of course, we have a neutral and line power source, and we have one lights with terminal 1 and terminal 2, and we have two unit device of three-way switch. Switch number 1 and switch number 2. Kung mapapansin nyo po guys, bakit magkaiba ang switch device na ginamit natin sa three-way kumpara sa single switch? Because our three-way switch ay requirements, kailangan natin siya ng tinatawag na single pole double through o SPDT, na meron siyang contact na function with common return line number 1, return line number 2, ganun din po sa kabila, function contact of common return line number 1 and return line number 2. So from the start of neutral power source was directed to lights terminal 1, and the line source of the power supply connected to switch number 1 of terminal common. And as a switch number 1, contact terminal return line number 1 was directed to switch number 2, contact return line number 1. And the switch number 1, contact return line number 2 connected to switch number 2, contact terminal return line number 2. And the switch number 2, contact terminal common, was directed to lights of terminal 2. So, yan po ang ating three-way switch diagram. Narito naman po ang tinatawag na four-way switch diagram. Of course, we have a neutral and line to the power source, at meron tayong isang ilaw with contact terminal 1 and contact terminal number 2. Sa four-way switch guys, kinakailangan natin niya na gumamit ng dalawang three-way switch device at isang four-way switch device. So narito ang switch number 1, isang three-way switch device, at narito ang switch number 2 na meron siyang 4 contact terminals, at switch number 3, switch three-way device. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, magkaiba ang device contact ng four-way switch at ng three-way switch. So ito ang tinatawag natin na four-way switch, at yung dalawa sa dulo ang tinatawag natin na three-way switch. So itong four-way switch device natin, kaya siya tinawag na four-way switch because of their function was double pole, double through, or DP-DT. So let's start. Start from the neutral line, direct connected to lights of terminal 1. And the line switch contact power source directed to switch 1 of three-way switch common terminal. And the return line number 1 connected to switch number 2, or what we call the four-way switch. And the three-way switch contact return line number 2 connected to four-way switch contact of terminal 2. Same pa rin po dun sa kabila. The four-way switch connected direct to three-way switch of return line number 1. And the last contact of four-way switch direct connected to three-way switch of return line number 2. And the last common terminal was directed to of lights of terminal 2. So yan po ang ating tinatawag na four-way switch diagram. Sana po ay nagustuhan ninyo ang ating learning for today, at maraming salamat po, at sa susunod na ating session ay tuturo ko naman po sa inyo ang ating practical installation. Maraming salamat po.